Hello folks, me and Nikki out here today.
Hello.
We are in Allegheny National Forest hiking the Minister Creek Trail. We just hit the overlook. We got about 1.5-ish miles left until camp. Yeah, and then we're just gonna be camping for the night.
Doing a little swimming?
Yes,
Skivvies?
swimming.
A little swimming, a little...
Swimming likely.
Oh my goodness, look at that rock.
It's very hot, holy hell. Whoa, I think we get to go in that little crack up there.
I like going in cracks.
Yeah. All right. Anyway, glad you can join us. Hope you enjoy watching. I'll probably pick it up a few more times on this path. And then again when we make it to camp. Water. Woohoo! We're gonna fill up. All right, we're gonna try out my new platypus water filter in bag. Gonna pull this guy off, unroll it, open it up, get down here in the creek. Whoa! And give it a scoop. All right. What I gotta do, connect it up the filter to the bag. Just flip it over and squeeze it in. Get a nice little close-up on that.
Oh yeah. Whole lot of squeezing.
And we have drinkable water. Yay! Everybody say yay! Nikki say yay!
Yay!
I hear water. You hear water?
Sounds like water.
I hear water. I think we're reaching the minimum altitude of our hike here. We're getting down to creek level, and then we kind of just walk upstream until we hit camp. We just looked at the map I've got downloaded, and it looks like we kind of only have 3/4 mile left to hike, so we should make it to camp soon. And we'll let you know when we get there. Here's some water for now. Well, we made it to camp, possibly. Might go check out another one upstream, but this one has got some seats, nice fire pit. Nikki's hanging out. There's this creek, runs right through over here. We have pretty good access to it looks like. It's really open. It's probably a lot of nice spots for a tent. Pick up all our water right here. I was hoping it'd be a little deeper.
There's a creek on the other side.
But yeah,
Deeper there.
yeah, Nikki's right. So we'll probably go check that out. See what camp is like up there. Check in. All right, well, me and Nikki think we're pretty settled here. We got two captain's chairs, a walking stick offered to us, a waterfall, nice little fire pit, plenty of flat. It looks pretty soft too. Ground for our tents. Back here a little bit. Pretty awesome. I think we're gonna go back and grab our stuff. Hike it up here a little bit and then maybe relax some and get to setting up. All right, quick update. We got some camp set up, as you guys saw. Nikki is going for a little rain fly action. Ultimate protection over here.
I like protection.
Yeah, what time is it? It's about 3:15. I'm just gonna get all my bedding and stuff in here. Get my pillow blown up, like my sleeping bag loft up. And then yeah, maybe try to find some wood to cook dinner with. I've got that one side of the tent open, and then I've got the door kind of batted down here. I think I'm gonna try and stuff all my things under it, just in case it rains tonight, but I don't think it's supposed to. It might rain a little later in the day tomorrow, but we should be out of here by then. Good job, Nikki.
Thanks, Eli. I love you.
Love you too. All right, we got an absolute war zone over here. We went to town on these 2 logs. Already got a few pieces back. I split a couple here just to make sure they look dry enough inside. A few of them looked okay. A couple of them were a little wet, but we're gonna finish carrying these back. Probably I'll start splitting them. And then, what do you think? Maybe make a small fire, get rid of the bugs.
I like getting rid of bugs.
Just to get it started. That's the plan. All right, gonna get a fire going here. I'm not terribly confident in this wood. It seems kind of dry, but maybe not dry enough. So I guess we'll see what happens. Get back to you in a second. All right, update. We might be okay. Maybe. Possibly.
We're gonna die.
We'll see.
This is our last message.
Got another update for you guys. That wood didn't work. It sucked. Yes? 0 out of 10.
11. Wait, 10.
No, 0 out of 10. That wood stunk.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the good with stuff.
No. So we went and got another tree. Nikki's gnawing on it back there like a busy beaver does. We got the fire moving. It's not too bad. Probably gonna keep it low. I guess we have a whole tree here. Yeah, we just need enough wood to make dinner and enough wood for breakfast tomorrow. And we'll be golden. I'm sweating, and I'd like to stop sweating. Maybe soon. Might get some water out of the waterfall over there. Waterfall. This is our wood processing setup.
Yep.
One sits, one cuts.
I like to show Eli my butt.
He sits, I cuts. And you just go to town on it. Almost. Whew, taking this bark down. Woo! I've made up a little bit of an oven here. Hopefully I'm gonna drop my baked potato right in the middle there, and then be able to pull out some coals and cook my steak over them. We will see. It's the fire situation. That is the wood situation. We're pretty good. Nice big pile. A little bit of kindling. I think we are in good shape here, folks. Probably gonna relax a little bit. It's just about 6 o'clock right now. Nikki is finishing up the tree. Hey, what are you doing back there?
I found a new tree cutting meta.
Oh? We're gonna have to see this.
Tree, old use with hand. Cut.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
that's it.
He's crazy.
Boom.
Oh
Look at that.
my gosh.
Yeah.
He's really putting in the work. We're gonna have wood for weeks. We might be out here until 4th of July. Who knows? Who knows? All right, probably check back in when we go to make dinner. Still got quite a bit of sunlight. Probably gonna try to relax a little bit and not sweat so much. The bugs have gone away too. The fire's huge for that. Huge for the bug game. So that's fantastic. All right, we're gonna get my baked potato prepped here. Probably gonna take like an hour and a half, 2 hours in the fire. So I wanna start this gargantuan thing right now. I'm just gonna take it out of the foil that I wrapped it in, hit it with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then send it. This thing is massive. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, get all the angles.
Oh yeah, that's
Yep.
great.
If you're not oiling up your potato like this, sorry, you're doing it wrong, brother. Some S&P. I just got them mixed up here in this little bottle. Just get it everywhere. All right. Potato back in its little pocket. Sides wrapped up. Oh, we're ripping. We're ripping. Oh, good. Right. Good as golden. Gotta find a nice spot for it in the fire. Probably just gonna dump it right in the middle. Just about. Alright. I made a nice little plate out of the piece of the bad wood. Gonna be able to set my steak and potato on that later. Very excited. The potato's still rolling. I'm worried I'm gonna burn it. But I'm not sure you can burn potatoes. I guess we'll find out. All right, we got a nice little setup going here. I think I'm gonna pull the potato off. It seems pretty soft. Let it cool. This is what I got going for the steak right now. I put 2 rocks up, pulled a bunch of coals over, I'm gonna let this grate get nice and hot, and then we'll dress up the steak and drop it on. Gonna get some oil on it. This is to accompany the potato, by the way. Get it nice and done up. One side. Got the salt and pepper here. Oh, take the lid off. Get it everywhere. Pressed in real good. There we go. And we'll just give it a flip. Do the same thing over here. Lots of oil. Get it all done up. Lots of salt and pepper. Especially on the fat caps. All right, then if you will follow me over to the grill, get this thing laid down. All right, check back with you when it's done. All right, we got a little over half of the steak and half of the potato here. I'm waiting for the rest of the steak to cook through. We're gonna start eating here. Give you guys a little look at the pieces of steak. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Then look at the potato. It's nice and loaded up. We're gonna go to town on it. I'm gonna enjoy this one. Well, with the help of Nikki, we managed to get rid of that 1.5 pound steak, 1.5 pound potato. Good, delicious.
Yeah, best meal I've ever had. I'll be dreaming about it.
All the fixins for that potato. I don't know how well you guys could see it. 'Cause it's getting kind of dark. It's check the clock actually. 8:40 now. I'm gonna eat my ice cream sandwich and chug a bunch of water because that was a lot of salt. But yeah, 3 pounds of steak and potato. I'm 2% steak and potato, I think. Is that how math works? I don't know. But fire's still ripping a little bit. We got a bunch of wood still left. Probably gonna try and save all that small stuff and kindling over there for the morning. Quick fire. I'm drying out my bear bag because there was a bunch of steak juice in it, and I rinsed it out in the creek. Letting my grill cool off over there. We'll get it all bagged up. I'm just listening to some tunes, relaxing. My back hurts. Yeah, probably check in before bed. Sounds good. Also, Nikki's setup is just killer. He's got this tarp strung out with the tent underneath. Pretty baller. Well, I don't know if you can see me very well, but I think it's bedtime. Me and Nikki are both tired, and fire's dying down a bit. There's some nice stars out. That's awesome. Fire's still pretty warm, but dying down. I think it's time to climb in bed. All right, I know you can see me now. I'm climbing into bed here, getting ready to sleep. It's gonna be a little warm tonight. I think the low is 60 maybe, high 50s. But I'll just kind of keep my sleeping bag open and catch some Z's. Yeah. Whoa. Howdy. It's just a little after 6. Just woke up, took a pee. Still tired though, so I might try and get like another hour of sleep or something. So we'll see how that goes. Slept pretty good last night. I woke up at like, I don't know, like 2 and then like 4:30 again. Managed to get back to sleep though. So not too bad, not too bad. It's about 8 o'clock now. Just walking back down the trail a little bit to go get the bear bag down. We hung it up last night. Oh shit, I always do this. I turned too early. We hung it up last night just before the sun got down and we lost too much sunlight. Tossed it up in a tree. So I'll just show you guys where we hung that for the funsies. For this bridge we've been crossing this whole time. It's pretty sketch. Can show you that on the way back. There she is, hanging up there. Just got paracord tied up here. Loosen this up. This will come flying down. There it goes. Get it untied, head back to camp, wake Nikki up. Hello, y'all. Tearing down camp. Getting ready to leave.
Bye camp. Bye camp. Bye camp.
Bye, camp. Bye-bye. My tent's gone. Getting all packed up. Just brushed our teeth. We're gonna make up some breakfast, yeah? You got an egg skillet.
I'm gonna eat breakfast.
This boy got an egg skillet. He got an egg skillet. I got oatmeal. We're gonna eat and then get on the move. We got like just over 2 miles, like 2.5 miles out of here maybe. I think it's all pretty flat, so it should only take us, I don't know, hour and a half maybe. Taking our time, something like that.
Lightweight.
Yeah, the weather looks like it's gonna hold. It's a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, evening, but it's rather nice right now, so fingers crossed. We'll let you know when we're getting out of here. We cooked up. I got oatmeal. Nikki's got his breakfast skillet. Would you toss some butter in there?
Nope, that's just the water.
Oh.
That'd
Yep.
be kind of
We boiled up the water. I stole some of Nikki's. Breakfast incoming. We need energy to hike out of here. We gonna make it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this camping trip as much as we did. We're exhausted. I'm soaked in sweat.
Hey, yo, you know what time it is?
What time is it?
Ice cream time.
Yeah, let's go.